Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the half range Fourier series in 0, L. Okay, half range Fourier series in 0, L. Okay, so in the half range Fourier series in the interval 0, L. Okay, from 0 to L. So sometimes we need to expand the functions. Okay, expand the functions as a Fourier series in the 0, L, that is a half of the 0, 2L. Okay, this is exactly the half range. The range of this is half. It's not the 2L. The length of the period is 2L. It's not 2L, it is L, which is the half of the 2L. Okay, so that's why it's called half range Fourier series in 0, L. Now in in the half range Fourier series, we have two types, that is half range sine series and half range cosine series. Okay, so let us discuss half range sine series. The half range sine series is, yeah, if we take if we need to express a function as a sine series in the interval 0, L. Okay, in the interval 0, L. Now what we'll do, observe this graph here graphically. If you have the function here, a graphical like 0, L. From 0 to L, the graph is like this. Now we need to express this as a Fourier series in this 0, L. Now what we'll do, yeah, we extend this function. Okay, so extend this graph in two ways. Okay, so that is, we can extend this graph in two ways. That is one that is with respect to the origin. Okay, so that is, we extend the function, so that is it's reflecting with respect to the origin. So like this we can extend the function. So in this case we can imagine this graph we got like this. This is nothing but this function is an odd function. Okay, you can see the functions. This function is an odd function. If any graph is symmetric about the origin, so it is known as a odd function. Okay, so since you know that one, for odd functions from the interval minus L to L, okay, so this is from minus L to L. So since we extended the function, this graph, it is reflecting it with respect to the origin, so we got from that minus L to L. So that is nothing but here I define an odd function in minus L, L, identical with f of x in 0, L. Okay, so that is here the function. We define a function from minus L to L, which is equivalent to the function from 0 to L. Okay, yeah, so now here we'll get the here as we extend the function, we reflecting it with respect to the origin, so that f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, so which is an odd function. Hence the half range sine series in 0, L is given by, this is the formula, f of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where bn is equal to 2 pi L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Okay, so now similarly the next one is the half range cosine series. Okay, half range the cosine series. Similarly, now as we discussed above half range sine series, now it is half range cosine series. So now here, coming to the graph here, so we have the function like this, the graph 0, L. Okay, from 0 to L. Okay, from 0 to L we have the graph like this. Now we extended this graph with respect to the origin, so we got that half range the sine series. Now we extend another way, we can extend this graph like this. Like this, it is reflecting it with respect to the y-axis. It's reflecting it with respect to the y-axis. Now we call this one, if any graph like this, L to 0 and 0 to minus L, which is symmetric about y-axis. Okay, it's symmetric about y-axis. Okay, now this is called as even function. Okay, we call it as even function. In this the function, we define an even function f2 of x in minus L, L. Sorry, here it's minus L, L. Identical with f of x in 0 comma L. 0 comma L. Okay. So now hence we will get the half range sine series in 0 comma L is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L. Okay. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L. A naught is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. A n is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx, which is the half range cosine series formula. Okay, we can expand any function as a cosine series, where here we'll get f of x is equal to a naught by 2 sigma n is equal to 1 to a n cos n pi x by L. Half range cosine series means the series contains only cosine terms. Remember, half range cosine series means the series contains only cosine terms. Half range sine series means the series contains only sine terms. Okay, half range sine series means the series contains only sine terms. Cosine series means the series contains only cosine terms. And this is how we can use this formula to expand any function, the given function f of x, the periodic functions, as a Fourier series. As a Fourier series in the given interval, that is 0 comma L. Okay, first we need to observe the interval, what it is given. It starts from 0 comma. If the question many times asked like find the half range sine series, or find the half range cosine series, or find the cosine series. Sometimes it's not mentioned as a half range, sometimes it asked as a cosine series or sine series. Still you have to go with this half range sine and half range cosine series. Okay, thank you.